Welcome back.
Welcome back. I have a burger in my mouth.
We talked about the White Castle burps. Those things are terrible.
I kind of regret having this burger in my mouth right now.
Do you?
I mean, not just because it's making it hard to speak as part of the show, but also just because, like, I think that's like burger number 10 that I've eaten somewhere around there. Feels bad, man.
It does feel bad.
But I told you, feeling bad is part of the experience.
I know.
If you only eat like 1 or 2, you don't get the full experience. You gotta eat 10.
I don't want to eat anymore, Steve.
Okay, then don't.
It's like, and I
know you're fine. Okay, Cappy.
This lounge is pretty nice.
His monster's name is... Wait, what?
This lounge is pretty nice.
Yeah, dude. They're just hanging out. They're having tea out of hat-shaped teacups.
That's
tea.
It's actually
It could be
hot
coffee.
chocolate.
It could be coffee. It could be hot chocolate. It could be hot toddies. It could be wassail. It could be soup. It could be chicken soup.
It could be chicken noodle soup.
It could be onion soup. It could be any kind of hot liquid, really. Or it might even be really cold liquid, and it's giving off, what that is not steam, but it's like vapor,
It could be
liquid nitrogen.
Yeah.
Just having a nice old glass of liquid nitrogen.
I know.
Which, by the way, you can't swallow that. Did you know that?
No, I did not.
Yeah, it'll evaporate as soon as it hits your mouth. If you let it cool your mouth down enough for that not to happen, you will lose your jaw.
Yeah, I can see that. I kind of want to put liquid nitrogen.
What?
I kind of want to put liquid nitrogen.
You want to play with it?
Yeah.
Okay. Well,
I want to make ice cream with it.
yeah, man. You can.
So what you do, right, if you want, this is essentially making Dippin' Dots, but you get some liquid nitrogen.
Yep.
You make the ice cream mixture.
Uh-huh.
And then you get a spoon and spoon it in, like drop from a high point, so it forms a little ball as it falls down into it. So you make your own Dippin' Dots.
Yeah, I mean that is how they make Dippin' Dots. So
I actually did not know that.
yeah, they use liquid nitrogen to make Dippin' Dots.
Are we in a desert world with ice?
It currently has ice in it. Yes.
This is amazing. I love this.
You might realize it's not supposed to have ice. This area is really neat. It's like a weird mashup of desert cultures.
Oh look! I can keep the hat this way.
Yeah. Yeah, you can go back and change it back if you want to, or just keep it like that.
What's over here?
Already, he's completely off course. I don't see us not finishing this game. This seems to be your natural way of. It's an oasis.
Oops.
You get here and the trees are like, anyway, here's Wonderwall. Sure, do you get that joke? Please get that joke.
No.
Okay.
Or do I?
There's a band in the 90s called Oasis, and they had a famous song called Wonderwall, and it's like a meme now. Like one of the there's like a meme of like one of the ones I saw is like it's got like Adolf Hitler, right? And he's got like really douchey hipster hair and he still has the same mustache. He's got an acoustic guitar and he's like, oh, anyway, here's Wonderwall.
This game is...
So you don't know Wonderwall?
I don't. This game is gonna cater to my the showness in me.
Yeah. Well, you can't get in there yet.
I don't think I'm supposed to be here.
No, I mean you were supposed to go into town, but that's okay.
Alright, let's go back in town. Ooh, what's this?
Hit it with your hat, or stomp on it with your ass. That's fine. Basically, whenever you see something, most things in this game, you either want to hit it with your hat or with your ass. The cactus, definitely not the ass.
I mean, some people might like it. Ooh. Hurt coins.
You got the coins. When you break a cactus, you get coins from it. See? You can't break that cactus.
God damn it.
Just go to town, dude. Fucking.
Ooh! Purple things.
Yeah, purple things, right? I get really frustrated when I find something in this game that's purple that isn't those coins. I'm like, ooh, purple! And you go towards it and you're like, ah. Tostarena town. You're missing some purples.
Oh, I thought they were part of the building.
Nah, man. That color purple is very distinctive. You need to look out for it.
I can't tell buildings apart. I'm built this.
You're building it.
Yeah.
Wow, Chiro.
Hey, you knew what we're getting into. Like, oh boy.
Okay, go into the shop.
This is a shop?
Yeah, it's a shop. Go and do it.
Right here?
Yeah, go into the shop. It's the Crazy Cat shop. This is where you purchase the items.
Oh my gosh.
Look at these guys. Look at their eyes. They got like looking Morty eyes. Okay, wrong button.
I'm pressing it.
No, you're not. You're pressing the. You gotta press the A button.
It's still jump.
Oh well, you gotta.
Oh, I see which coins for which.
Yeah. So.
Is that permanent?
No. Don't buy those. There's no reason to buy those.
What about these?
I mean, yeah, sure. Buy that. There's no reason to do it right now, but.
I don't want that.
Well, you can't afford it.
I'll show you.
If you press it enough times, it'll work.
That's how it works in real life, right?
Okay. So you can't quite get the poncho and the sombrero yet, and you can't get either of those. You can get one or the other. It doesn't matter.
You know I want the sombrero.
Okay. Well,
I don't care about anything else.
you only care about the sombrero.
Yeah, I don't. More you can say this normal hat. I'm gonna keep him like tourist white as possible. You know what I'm talking about?
Tourist white.
So like you go to like Mexico, they just wear sombrero and that's about it.
The only people wearing sombreros are the fucking the tourists.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. You know what I mean?
Look, I'm being culturally. I'm fitting in. I'm dressing like the locals. The locals are like not even wearing hats or what.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. That's what I am right now.
Although the locals here do wear sombreros and ponchos. Yep.
Wee.
Hey, guy.
I
don't know how we're supposed to feel about these guys. Like, are we supposed to consider them kind of vaguely racist because they're like they're all holding maracas. They're all holding maracas and dancing with them. I don't know. Oh, hey, you did a thing. That was neat, wasn't it?
Yep. Ooh, the moon.
Yep.
I didn't even know there's a moon here. I just wanted to go on top of this roof.
Yeah. That's Mario, dude.
That's what this. Ooh, pipe. What are you doing here? How do you live like this?
Oh, he's teaching me about rumbles.
I don't.
On the left side. Hang on, man. Do you feel anything?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, follow your feelings.
It's rumbling, but I don't know how hard it's supposed to rumble.
Well, keep moving, and if it stops getting, like, if it starts getting stronger, then go that direction. There you go.
Okay.
Isn't that neat?
You know what? I'm gonna forget about the mechanics completely.
It's like a thing that they've been doing since Ocarina of Time, so, you know. Do you remember the Stone of Agony?
Yeah, but you had to actually use it.
What do you, well, no, like, you had to actually buy the Rumble Pack, yes.
Oh, yeah. I never used it.
So you never had a Rumble Pack?
No, I never had a Rumble Pack.
Well, guess what? I got Star Fox 64. That shit came with a Rumble Pack.
Oh, shit.
And then...
What?
You can't possess the bird.
I'm done with this game.
You can possess other birds, you just can't possess that one. That's the talking to. He gives you hits. Enjoying yourself?
Yeah, I'm enjoying myself. I really should stop this.
Yeah. You gotta get up next to it and press the button.
Ah!
There you go.
Stop running.
Well, hey, you got it in.
I got it in.
You got it in somewhere. That's just, that's sort of how sex works, right? You just gotta get in one of the holes.
I mean,
I'm being obscene right now, that's fine.
I mean,
Hey.
one's also the peepee hole.
He's all the craziest. Yeah, you don't want to get in there.
Oh yeah. So my first time I did.
I'm sorry.
I did not know there was more than one hole.
Your poor wife? Was this your wife?
No, it's not my wife.
Okay. You don't really need to read the signs. They're just telling you how to play Mario 64. In case you've never played that fucking
It's
25-year-old.
It's telling me the thing that I've just been doing the entire time.
Yeah. Actually, that game's old. Game is 21 years old now.
Yeah, the first time I've ever had sex, I fucked up that.
Not like the fuck, but like the colloquial term word for fuck.
Yeah. There are things that you wish I wish I had learned.
You are a projectile William.
Oh boy. Oh no. I really want these.
Well, you got him. Good jerk.
I know what I need to do.
What do you need to do? You gotta ride it up there. Hey, we got a smart guy here. He's a smart man.
Too bad I can't go up or down.
No, you can't. It does time out.
Oh boy.
Yeah.
Oh, what's over here?
Sequence.
What's down there?
Sequence. It's a seed. If you take it back to town, you can find where the other ones are.
That's what I'm doing right now. God damn it, this game!
Yeah, you'll just constantly be finding, oh, what's this over here? Oh, what's this over here?
This game is gonna be like, everyone's gonna be watching like, just go forward!
Nah, I think they'll be fine.
All like two of them at this
All
point.
two.
Yeah. Which is me and you.
We're the only ones that are gonna watch our show.
Eventually I know there's gonna be few.
Yeah.
It always goes that way. It's eventually when someone finds it. Alright.
Okay.
Alright.
Speed runs. Oh, you can roll.
How do you roll?
Just crouch and press B while you're running. Not B. Yeah.
No.
It doesn't damage anything. What do you think you are, Sanic?
Yes.
Well, yeah. Well, you're not. You don't have spikies. You don't got spiky quills. But you can roll, and when you roll, you gain speed when you go downhill. So
Oh boy.
it's one of the ways that speedrunners are going to be crazy in this game.
Well, I already got hit when I didn't mean to.
As opposed to all the other times you get hit.
Yeah. This is shiny.
Yeah. What are you going to do? How are you going to break that open? I wonder.
Running the 90s. Ooh. Oh boy.
What did you say?
Running the 90s.
Running in the 90s?
It's initial D.
Oh, okay.
This game is pandering to me, I swear.
How so? You always want to be a bullet bill?
Everything about this game is pandering to like the way I think, the way I want to play this game, etc., etc.
That's good. That's a good thing, right?
This is down bad.
Sand.
Oh boy.
Don't die in the sand. It's a bad way to go. Actually, now that I think about it, I think that would be the worst way to go.
Worst way to go is sand.
Like, just drowning in sand.
What's that?
Like, that's worse than regular drowning. Right? Because you know what happens when you drown?
Yeah.
Like, you pass out, and then your body breathes in. That's how the water gets in your lungs, right? Imagine if it was fucking sand. That would suck. I guess you wouldn't be conscious for it, but still.
It'll be my inconvenience.
Yeah.
Excuse me?
Want to fucking breathe in sand? Well, I guess we'll talk more about breathing sand next time.
Next time on the second worst show.